Good everyone, welcome back to Diko Graphics Design channel. This morning I'm going to show you how to design a professional logo. Using your smartphone. This is a Pixellab tutorial. Everything will be done on our Pixellab. I will quickly show you how you can amazingly design this particular logo, Alex Arena, using just your text and your shape on your Android phone. Then now you can mock it up exactly like this on your Pixellab, on your photopea. Let's start. Just click on your shape, this particular shape. After you click it, then you rotate to your own desire. Rotate it to the angle that you really wanted. After that, then you zoom it in, you crop it a little. So then make sure you position it to the center. Now write alphabet E, letter E. Then go and select the shape you want to use. So I use Adobe Gothic font. Then you zoom it, you increase the size. If the size is not increased to your taste, don't worry. So increase the size, change the color of this text to black. Then I want it to be darker, that's why I increase it that way. Then position the E inside the shape. See the way. So I want to show you how you would do some crazy stuff here now. So after placing that, then you come to your mask, enable your mask, then click on out, and you move it to one side to cut out small edge out of that E. You see the way. Then copy, then go and enable mask again for that copy, then choose in for the second one to show. Now position it, let it rhyme, move it back a little, move it back, let it look real, as if that is how it was made. Shift it, make sure that everything fitting inside that shape. Good. This is okay. Then you lock them. So now you can now copy the shape. I want to put a ring around that shape, but I think it cannot be the way we normally do circle. I need to use a manual cutting. So now so after selecting copy the shape, then you increase it. This is white, then give it black color again. After you double copy, then you increase the black size, then position the white. Remember, white is the same size of the one at the background, the one at the back. That's the reason why whatever I cut here, I'm very sure that it will fit in. So you now I want to place the ring, the ring around that shape. So you can now position it where, merge it, cut it out. the way I look at it, I want it to be very tiny than this. So that's why I back. So I think it's okay now. So you can merge it, then cut it out. Good. So now reduce the size to make it fit in. Exactly the way I'm doing it now. Good. So right now you have to match everything together. Then go to erase color to cut out. Yes, this is good. So position it up, then put your text LX arena. Now choose your font. Ethnocentric. So I later choose ethnocentric font. You can actually check the name and description area of this video, then got it downloaded. You can get it downloaded at your DaFont, www.dafont, or tap it directly on your logo. It will bring it. So after this, make sure you now position them to the center. Make sure it's being aligned very well. This is just an arrangement. Make sure you arrange them well. Then you now choose your texture. Choose the texture. Choose texture for the logo. Just crop a small area. It can't work because we are cut out one part. So now select an empty text. Move it up, then merge them together. So now apply texture, it will work. Don't forget, just cut out small area. So now it will work. So for the text, sorry, I return it back because I want to use it. So for the text, go and select the hash texture, precision it, but copy that one as well. No. Copy the text too, then hide it too. Lock the two. Merge the two texture, the one we've selected the texture. Then now go and apply all the necessary things. Get me? Merge them. just your shadow, let it be reduced. I pick 2 for my shadow. So go to your embosses, just apply as your own desire, apply it the way you want it. So as you are rotating and choosing them, you will be seeing the result, the effect on the logo. Then choose your 3D, put it on the, let your depth be 1, your darker could be 90, your dark color, oblique angle, just put it, as you are rotating you see the result, put it anyhow that fits in, 176. Shadow, oblique angle 24. Once you are rotating, you should be able to see how the logo look like, the design. If it is too much, you continue rotating until when it reach the cool level. Good. Now I want to select background. Choose the YouTube size. You can see the result. Good. We are good to go. So this is just a simple way on how to design a logo on your Android smartphone using photopea. So now I will save it, then I will need another one for without background and without applying anything, so that I can be able to use it for photopea. I want to mock up the logo on photopea. So after that I will delete the 2 I've done before, then close the background, increase the size of the background, return the background back to then. Good. So now we'll unlock them, position them to the center. The brand name will be positioned as well. Then I can go and choose the texture for it. Already there is a texture for the text, the brand name. So what remains now is to position them well, then have them saved without background. I change the font to Adobe Gothic. Then save with transparent background. Now we move directly to our photopea. This photopea, you click on open. Then select your mockup. After you open photopea, click on open by the left hand side. Then you select your mockup. The mockup is loading. You wait for a while. Now it's downloading. The next thing is to click on your lay. Place your logo, double tap it, then hide the logo 1, just click on high icon. So until when you see this, then click on file at the left hand side at the top. Click on it. Then click on open and paste. Click on download and select the design. Then select the design we just made with, say, with transparent background. After importing the design we just made with transparent background, you have to wait for it to load. When downloading, then you have to stretch them out by holding the handle that's around it. You stretch it out, just zoom it out to make it fit in on the layer so that the result will not be too small. After that, then you click on file there, like as I did. Click on your file, then you click on save with smart object, the way I just did. So when you click on save with smart object, you wait. As you can see, everything will save, don't worry. You just come to your file. After clicking in locate save with smart object, click on it and wait, be looking. Smart object updated, don't worry. Then look at the top. There's 3D effect and there's the rectangle. Double tap on 3D effect because we are after that 3D effect, not rectangle, so that when it's done processing, the result will come out automatically. It takes a while before it transforms because of this kind mockup, but everything will not up to 5 minutes. Can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not again. Still waiting. The result will be out soon. Yeah, the result is out. So click on your layer and see whether anything can be changed there. Let me see whether I can change the shadow. Let me reduce that shadow. You see everything clearly. So this time around, click on your shadow. Then you hide one. The one copy. I think it's okay like that. So the next thing now is to click on file. Click on export as PNG. Export as PNG. Then saved. Then click on download. Open and see the result. So this is just amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.